Hi, this is CJ Wells, Property Manager. I'm here at a typical rental property in the Denver metro area. And as a property manager, I have a team behind me that keeps these properties spiffed up, repaired, and humming. And one of the biggest tradesmen that is important to a property manager is a painter. You'd be amazed at how beautiful and brilliant a property will look like when it is freshly painted, and how great it will look for years and years. So today we're going to be talking to our tradesman who does painting of interior and exterior. And let me introduce you to him. He is Justin of ColorWorld House Painting. Here's one of his vehicles, and here is Justin. Justin, say hi to everybody.
Hi, I'm Justin with ColorWorld House Painting. I am the owner of our Southeast Denver location, and we are your local one-stop shop for any painting project. We do interiors, exteriors, painting and staining in both residential and commercial properties. And we also have some add-on services that help make us a one-stop shop where you just have one point of contact, and we're able to take care of those siding and trim replacements as well as drywall repairs.
Excellent, excellent. So you can see that our tradesmen, they are quite skilled across the board, and they keep our landlords happy and tenants happy. So we're going to be taking a look at this typical rental property, and we're going to get Justin's thought on what he would do to improve it and things that that he sees that were done well. So stay tuned. This is CJ, the property manager here in the Denver metro area. We'll be talking to you later. Thanks.